Dental health experts say that improper brushing technique is more common than most people realize. And the result is that healthy teeth are not as common as they should be. SonicX PRO is a simple solution to many of your dental problems. In this SonicX PRO review, I will discuss everything about this product so that you can make your buying decision wisely. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. What is SonicX PRO? With the advanced Sonic technology, SonicX PRO electric toothbrush is 100 times more powerful than the traditional brushes. In recent times, we see people switching to electric toothbrushes, which is indeed a good practice. Also, it makes brushing more interesting as you begin to enjoy this change in your usual routine. As against other electric brushes in the market, only SonicX PRO offers 4 brushing modes for separate parts of the mouth. SonicX PRO electric toothbrush highlights. Made with Sonic technology. 100x powerful than manual brushing. About 45,000 brush strokes per minute. 4 modes: soft, cleaning, whitening, and massaging. Use at home or carry on a trip. SonicX PRO benefits. Easy to use with changeable batteries. Keeps your teeth and gums clean and healthy. Allows thorough and longer brushing. Durable, lightweight and easy to carry. Smart device with a smart timer. Key features of SonicX PRO Toothbrush. Use it anywhere, anytime. You might be thinking everything sounds great, but what about the battery? What if I go on vacation and it suddenly dies? Is it even convenient to take an electric toothbrush on vacation? Well, forget all that and worry no more. SonicX PRO is very light and has a built-in rechargeable extra long life battery that lasts up to 2 weeks when you brush regularly. Replaceable heads. We all know that for the most efficient results it's recommended to change your regular toothbrush every 3 months since the bristles become bent, discolored or begin falling out. Well, I'm not able to change an electronic toothbrush every 3 months, you might say, and you don't have to. A super powerful brush. The sonic vibrations produced by this device are powerful. They produce a force that is strong and great at removing plaque in those areas that are very hard to reach inside your mouth. Talk about feeling clean. Smart brushing. The toothbrush includes a wide variety intelligent brushing method to clean, massage, and whiten your teeth. You can also select a soft brushing method if you desire a gentle cleansing method. Perfect for those days when you just want to feel clean but not be aggressive about it. Timer brushing. You no longer have to set a timer to get the right brush time in. You can just let the toothbrush take care of it for you. Instead of setting a boring timer, let the toothbrush take care of it and watch some cool videos on your phone instead or something like that. We guarantee it's a lot more fun. It runs for 2 minutes and then switches for 30 seconds, so you remember to go to other parts of your mouth. Who could benefit from using this toothbrush? The benefits of SonicX PRO Toothbrush can be enjoyed by everyone. Maintaining good dental hygiene benefits everyone, and thus, this brush is suitable for any person who would like to upgrade from old-style brushes. From fresher breath and reduced cavities to white teeth and fewer visits to the dentist, SonicX PRO will be a great addition to your hygiene package. The simplicity of its design makes it ideal for every member of the family, including younger children. Also, the soft rubber head, easy to select modes, and DuPont bristles make it easy to use. Perfect for all kinds of teeth. When you use a manual toothbrush, there is not much space to be creative, you basically use the same technique over and over again. And the worst thing about this is the possibility it's not even working. SonicX PRO meets multiple needs with 4 integrated brushing modes. Teeth sensitivity varies greatly, that's why the creators of SonicX PRO gave us an opportunity to choose between clean, milder, white, or mascara modes. If you're one of those people who have sensitive gums, don't worry. Milder mode will gently reach under your gums and sweep away bacteria and tartar that common toothbrushes often miss. Final verdict. On the whole, this looks like an amazing electric brush at an affordable price that you may not want to miss out on. The demand for electric brushes is increasing. Grab one for yourself or gift one to your loved ones to promote a healthy habit of regular and inside-out brushing. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the SonicX Pro, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.